What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It is halfway through October, and I have realized I don't think I've done any fall baking, Halloween baking, whatever you want to call it. And today is the perfect day for that. It's 55 degrees. It's amazing weather. This is my kind of weather, but that doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter to me, but it doesn't matter to you. Anyway, whoa, my tripod. I have a friend who texted me this recipe, and she specifically said, I need you to try making these mini pies in mason lids so I know if it actually works. And I said, okay. So I'm gonna show you guys the little video, not the full video. I'm gonna show you what it is. You see that? That's what we're gonna try. Again, I haven't tried this. I have no idea if it works, if it doesn't work. I don't know. But all I do know is it's 2 ingredients. You can make it more than that. You can make your own pie filling. You can make your own crust. You can make it as hard as you want. But I'm not trying to do that today. So, first things first, I did preheat the oven to 375. And I'm gonna roll these crusts out, and we're gonna cut them out with some mason jar lids, and we're gonna see if this works. All right, let's go. All right, I did go ahead and I bought the Pillsbury brand of pie dough, pie crusts, because I have gotten, let's see here, let me see. I have gotten not this brand before, and it wouldn't even unroll without it like crumbling apart. So we're going to ruin it by doing that. Okay, here we go. I also have no idea how many this is gonna make. I am winging this, completely winging it. All right, that's good enough. All right, we'll save this one for the next. I'm gonna use both. All right, so I have the wide mouth ones, and we're just gonna cut as many of these as this will do. Oh gosh. Also, I am not artistic in the slightest, so these aren't going to be pretty. Okay. All right, how many was that? 2, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. I guess I can, we're gonna attempt to make an ugly duckling out of this. I'm not even gonna get a rolling pin out. We'll probably get 8 pies. All right, I'll be right back after I attempt to make this into a flat circle. Okay, I got 8 of these ready, and I did I kind of put a little avocado oil on them to maybe prevent them from sticking. I don't know, but it does say to put the lid in rubber side down like this. So, which ones do I want to use for the bottoms? Probably the uglier ones. Okay, well, that one's ugly. Whatever. Okay, we're just going to Okay. Yep. seems great. Okay, that's... And I am not going to make everyone watch me do this for the next 20 minutes. So I'll let you know how it goes when I'm done. When I'm cutting faces into the tops or something. Yeah. I don't have much faith that these are going to pop out, but you know, sometimes things like surprise me, so we'll see. Okay, I will be back in a little bit after I'm done doing this like 6 more times. All right, so I did all of these and then I started doing these. Again, I am absolutely not artistic, so these aren't gonna look, they're not gonna look good. But I mean, there's something. So I also definitely should not be doing this directly on my counter, but here we are. I'm getting really creative with these shapes. Yeah, sure. We'll just go with that. Okay, I'm just gonna do this some more times, and then we will fill them. Yeah. This is, like I said a billion times, I'm not creative at all in the slightest, so they're probably basically all just gonna look the same. You all do what you want to do. Okay, I did all the faces. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this cherry pie filling. Like I said, you can make your own. Oh boy. I'm also wearing white, so that's fantastic for me today. You can do whatever filling you want, but I feel cherry is appropriate for this holiday. I'm gonna spoon some in. I don't know how much. That's probably too much. Oh boy. Yep, this is not gonna turn out like that video, but whatever. I'm literally so dumb for wearing white. Could I change right now? I could. Am I going to? No. All right. I'm not... Oh, boy. I am not confident at all. Oh, boy. I mean, there's something. I am not confident that they will pop out of this, but there's something. All right, that's what they look like before. I think the key is to not overfill them, which I definitely did. I set the oven to 350 degrees, like I said. And it says to put them in for 20 minutes. I'm gonna do like 18 minutes and then see what they look like. So just give it a whirl. Oh boy. They're definitely not going to look that good when they come back out, so we'll see. All right, so it is very clear that I did not do a good job of sealing these pies while Calvin takes a drink. But they look nice. I definitely do not think they're gonna come out of the lids as like one pie, but you know what? They look good. They're really cute. We'll probably try them after dinner. Calvin, hey Calvin, can you just take a break for a second? Thank you. We will probably try these after dinner tonight because right now it's the middle of the day. I really don't want a pie, and I just took them out of the oven, and they're really hot. So, you know, so far so good, really. Oh, it's not focused. Did it actually? Oh, it did.
So I just eat the metal?
Yeah, eat the metal. Jonathan made me stop dinner. Ooh, that's a nice picture right there.
I didn't do anything.
Jonathan made me stop eating dinner so he could eat this.
I didn't do anything.
I mean, it's literally 2 ingredients. I didn't try hard.
You try hard.
I did not try hard.
You try hard.
It should literally just taste like a cherry pie.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
It was ice cream.
Well, we don't have any. It's mutilated.
Really good.
Is it? Well,
you can almost eat it one-handed.
You probably could. Just, oh, nope.
Nope.
Calvin in the background wishing. All right, so those are super easy, and I would definitely make those again for any holiday. I think the only thing I did not do well is like actually seal the sides, but it's fine.
Is that ice cream?
Yeah, well, we don't have any ice cream. Sorry.
That'd be perfect.
Sorry, Charlie. Anyway, the next video, I actually know what it's gonna be.
No, you don't.
Kathy is my friend Kathy. What'd you eat? A seed from the... I don't know. I didn't do that. Is it a seed from the cherry?
It's a pit.
Oh, well, I didn't do that. Hope your teeth are okay. Hope your teeth are fine. Calvin got a bandana at the vet yesterday. Side note. Anyways, what I was trying to say is he's gone. My friend Kathy is going to make pumpkin rolls for a video for me. So it won't be me, it's gonna be her. So that's gonna be the next video. Jonathan's gonna go make sure his teeth are okay because apparently that can had some pits in it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. So will Jonathan. Bye!